I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Before we begin, I request you to subscribe my channel. Today, in this video I'm gonna be show you where I get Prizerebel promo codes from. So let's get started. We are here at Prizerebel.com. So here we are gonna need some promo codes. Let's get the promo codes, which can be found at Twitter. I have already opened Twitter. So as you can see, you can find promo codes here which they post every 2 to 3 days. There is a link to this page in description box. You just have to open the tweet and copy them from here. And then go to Prizerebel from here. You just have to open the tweet and copy the code from here. And then go back to Prizerebel.com. And paste it into the box. And press go. And now paste the promo code into the redeem box and press on go. And you get 5 points for every promo code. There are other ways to get points like inviting a friends, and offer walls, and tasks. Don't forget to like and comment below.